नमस्कार दोस्तों। हम लोग आज कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर शीला नाम्बियार से। बहुत आपकी प्यारी बुक है, उसका जो टाइटल है मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है शीला की। यू हैव रिटन अ बुक गेट साइज वाइज। गेट साइज वाइज। सो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू अ बेसिक क्वेश्चन कि दैट स्लिमिंग का एक ट्रेंड चला हुआ है, एक्सेसिव डाइटिंग कर रहे हैं लोग। और तो अगर वैसे तो आपने कई सारी बातें अभी भी हमारे को बताई हैं शीला, बट स्टिल इफ आई आस्क यू कि सम basic healthy ways, when somebody wants to slim down, could you suggest us some basic ways कि okay, Adi, these things a person needs to take care of, and then rest will be done. So if you could just guide us some basic pillars and some fundamental points.
Um, well, the basic concept behind weight is how much you consume. So your weight is mainly controlled by what you consume, not how much you exercise. So you can exercise for hours on end, and you may find, and if you eat to compensate, you will not be able to lose the weight. So what you eat is very, very important, and I think what is more important than what you don't eat this and don't eat that, rather than saying that, if you plan to eat the right kind of food, then there is no space for unhealthy food. So if I tell you, for instance, Adi, that you have to consume at least 5 cups of vegetables every day, which you should, okay, and 3 fruits, and at least 1 to 1.5 cups of cooked beans every day. Now, if you manage to cover all those things, very little chance that you can have your golikupas by the end of the day, right? Because you're already full, you're already satisfied. So, what you need to eat has to be stressed rather than don't eat this and don't eat that. Second thing, there are a couple of don't eats which I think are really, really critical. One of them is sugar, and the other is processed food. These two things you really need to eliminate from your diet. Sugar is highly addictive, which means that when you take a little bit, you feel like having more and more.
Yeah.
And it's been shown that sugar stimulates the same part of the brain that is stimulated when you have cocaine or heroin. That's how addictive it is. So sugar is highly addictive. And the second thing is processed food, which is food that has gone through a whole lot of chemical engineering before it reaches you. So it's packaged food, put away. Those kind of things are also highly addictive because scientists sit day and night to try and plan for that particular flavor which is addictive to the human being. So if you eliminate these two things and if you consume the right kind of things, at least 4 to 5 cups of vegetables, 2 to 3 fruits, and 1.5 to 2 cups of beans every day, the chances of you overeating the wrong kind of food is that much less. And definitely exercise at least 30 minutes every day. And also, not just exercise, but stay active through the day. I think these three things will pretty much take care of weight.
So I just to just add on one point with it, because uh, like we people come across many of the youngsters, like they do not have much buying capacity. So when we say this 5 cups of vegetables and 3 fruits or something, so usually in the northern India part side, if you see, like usually in the salad, they go for this cucumber and tomato, and some of them are not even eating onion also. So they do not have much options. So when you talk about this 5 cups of vegetables, so it's very difficult to have a raw vegetable like that. So could you give us some options also in this?
Yeah. So it doesn't have to be raw vegetables, Adi. It can be vegetables that are locally grown. So all your greens that are any local market will have. You don't need to buy expensive vegetables and fruit. Local fruit and vegetable is more than sufficient, right? So I'm saying an average. So a woman would need about 3 cups of vegetables. A man would need a lot more. But I think locally you can source reasonably priced vegetables. I don't think they're that expensive. And what I find is people are willing to spend money on buying meat and milk, which is far more expensive.
Yeah, it
Far
is.
more expensive. So I don't think I mean, in comparison, vegetables are much less expensive, and you could buy from your local market, from the man who's sitting on the street selling, the farmer who sits on the street and sells some local thing that he has grown. So
So they could go for boiled vegetables.
absolutely, it doesn't have to be raw. Absolutely. So it can be in any form. It can be a soup. It can be a juice. It can be a stir fry. It doesn't have to be a raw vegetable.
Okay, that's a good thing. तो दोस्तों जब आपको स्लिमिंग करनी है तो जो बेसिक फंडामेंटल शीला कह रही हैं आप उसको ध्यान में रखिए दोस्तों. लोगों के साथ ये दिमाग में होता है कि बहुत एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जिम के अंदर तो हमारा स्लिमिंग हो जाएगा, पर व्हाट यू कंज्यूम, आप जो खाते हैं, जो आप मुंह से लेते हैं, उस पर बहुत ध्यान दीजिए दोस्तों, क्योंकि उसका परसेंटेज बहुत हाई होता है आपकी स्लिमिंग के अंदर. इसमें डूज एंड डोंट्स में इतना मत फंसिए. अगर आप अपने दिमाग को इस तरीके से फोकस रखेंगे कि भाई मैं दिन के अंदर, अगर आप मेन हैं तो यूजुअली 4-5 कप जो वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं वो उनको ज़रूरत होती हैं. जो वुमेन होती हैं जनरली 2-3 कप वेजिटेबल्स इज इनफ फॉर देम. तो ये मुझे लेना ही है दिन में. और वेजिटेबल्स का मतलब बिल्कुल ये नहीं है दोस्तों कि आपको रॉ लेना है या फिर कोई महंगी सब्जियां खरीद के ही करना है. आप जो भी लोकली ग्रोन वेजिटेबल्स हैं, जो भी आपको स्ट्रीट साइड्स मिलती हैं, आप उनको बॉईल करके भी ले सकते हैं. जरूरी नहीं है आप उनको रॉ फॉर्म में ही लें. आप उनको सूप बना के, उसका जूस बना के, यू कैन टेक दैट. और 3 कप फ्रूट्स, 3 फ्रूट्स कोई भी, और 1 से 1.5 कप बीन्स अगर आप लेते हैं तो आपका इनफ, आपका स्टमक फिल्ड रहेगा. तो आप इस प्रोसेस्ड फूड और शुगर क्रेविंग के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे.